Creating a community in Systeme.io is a great way to engage with your audience and build stronger relationships. Here's how you can create a community. Log into your Systeme.io account. Go to Systeme.io and log in using your credentials. Access the community section. On the left-hand menu, click on Community. If this feature is not enabled, check if your subscription plan includes access to the community feature or enable it from the settings. Create a new community. Click on Create New Community. Name your community and choose the visibility options such as public or private access. You can create different topics and sections within the community to organize discussions effectively. Set up membership options. Decide whether you want to offer free or paid membership for your community. For paid memberships, you can integrate with Systeme.io's payment system. Customize the membership rules, including who can join, membership tiers and pricing. Design the community. Customize the look and feel of the community by adjusting the design, adding images, and formatting content to make it appealing. Launch your community. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your community live.